HW Squad? Welcome back to our channel, and today we are back with another video. So today we're going to be doing a couple of challenges with all of our friends.
Hi!
Okay guys, today we're going to be doing another video, and the video we're doing is, what are we going to do today guys?
Make the slime, make slime.
You going to make
the
slime?
yoga challenge and the makeup challenge.
Okay, these are the ingredients that we're going to be using to make slime. You have some glue, some Tide detergent, and then we have another detergent called Fab. We're not sure if it works, but we're going to find out if it works today. We also got some empty containers and a spoon. And yeah, we about to see if we get this going. So, you guys want to start?
Yes.
Okay, what's the first step in making slime? Okay, so you take the glue. It's okay, you guys are going to share the glue.
No, open.
That's a lot of glue. Okay, pour some in London's.
Did they have
Be wary about the fab thing because we don't know how it works, so that's why you should use a little bit first.
You guys okay? It's another empty glue container. I mean, another container in here for London to have more glue. Oh, I think that's good, guys. Let's try because we're just doing a test.
Oh, really?
I'm gonna use the fab. So I need to see how it works before
Fab better work.
I forgot to introduce you guys to my squad. This is who?
I'm their cousin, just like his cousin. That's Lene.
Mackenzie.
I'm Precious. I'm the god sister of London and Josiah.
I'm Paris, the god sister of London and Josiah.
That is Miss Nyla, and Jalen is our family, and we are here together making slime.
But that's our goal.
Yes.
That is our goal.
Okay, so now what's next? You guys got the glue?
Yeah. Oh yeah, they can test. I'm not testing.
Now let's.
Tide or
Before everybody opens up the Tide, Jalen is going to try with the Fab, and we're going to see if the Fab works. Because then, if it does, then you guys will know you can get the Fab from Dollar Tree. Go ahead, Jalen. Let's see. So you take some detergent.
Why you?
And you mix it with the glue.
Is it working?
No, it's making the glue runny. It's not working. It's making the glue runny.
Let's try a little bit more.
Should you put a little bit more glue?
See?
yeah, it's funny.
It's running?
It's a fail.
Yeah.
Not by Fab.
The fab is a fail.
Fab is a fail?
Yeah.
How do you guys know so fast? Like,
If it doesn't form.
so it has to form. So it's supposed to form quick.
Yeah.
Once
It should
you
at
put the
least
tide in,
form.
mix
It should at least form, but it's still gonna be wet. It should at least form enough
Okay.
for you to pick it up.
Okay, so you take a little bit. It's only one small thing, and everybody has to make some. So you take the Tide because they said Tide works. Take a little driplings.
Jalen's gonna test out the Tide. But I want to test Tide.
Let's go to Lene.
Okay, Lene.
He's the ultimate slime master. It's working!
Oh, it's okay. You see Lene's? It's starting to form. Okay, it's starting to form, so that works.
Let's try that.
Okay, well, yeah, let's try. Go ahead. Let him use some of that.
Don't turn that off! Why are you screaming? Can I try?
Okay. Go ahead, Josiah. You try some.
Oh, it's working.
It's starting to
Oh,
form.
it formed!
With the fab in it.
With the Fab in it.
Okay, don't
All right, that's enough. That's
And it
enough.
formed fast with a little bit.
Let me see.
That means fab and Tide is a good mixture.
Yeah. I'm gonna try a little bit of fab.
London, would you like some?
Seems like it's gonna be the sticky type.
I'm gonna try a little bit of fab on mine.
Josiah, yours is forming too.
Yeah.
So what you guys need to do is mix it really good.
Here, London, do you want to pour yours?
You dropping Imani.
Okay, guys, I am back. I'm back with the kids. Let's see. Josiah's is forming.
Too much. Not done.
That's what
Lene's.
glue's for.
Yeah, it's.
Oh, that's cool.
Yours is just
Look at
Fab is making
yours,
it-
London.
Fab is kind of
Mix it, London. Let me see.
Fab is kinda
Okay,
making
Mackenzie, let me check yours out.
It's making it like a sponge. It's absorbing.
Okay, yours
You
looks
added
good
too
too.
much.
It's soaking too much.
I'm not done. You added too much.
Put some glue on it.
That looks good. Okay, so as we see, Jalen, he tested his. He used Fab and Tide, and his didn't come out like the rest. So should we add glue to this one?
Yes.
Let's add a little bit of glue to that and see if it'll. And everybody, be careful because this is glue. Decide you don't need any more glue. You don't need any more glue, son.
I think I need more glue. But Jalen added too much fat. So it's not stretchy. Mom, look. I think I need some more Tide. It's sticky size? No, mine's is like.
What do you think Josiah needs?
He just need to knead it in with his hand.
He may need more Tide. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So what we're getting ready to do now is knead and start to get the slime, and we'll be back in a few. Hold on, guys. We are back, and now this is how her slime turned out. Really good. With the Tide.
This is how my slime turns out.
She lost her slime that fast. This is the slime with the Fab. Didn't turn out too good. It can be saved though. I think you could save that. I think you could, but that's what it is. And this is the one with the Tide.
It's Tide and lotion.
Tide and lotion. She has her slime. It did good. And baby girl has her slime in there. So overall, it was a success today doing this slime challenge. Look at everybody. It was a success. It's Nina's birthday. Happy birthday to Nina. It's Leo. And everybody's gone. So HW squad out. We'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Hit your thumbs up, ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Down below.
Down below. Subscribe to our channel. And we'll be back.
Post notifications.
Yep, post notifications. We'll be back with another video.
HW squad out.
HW squad, what? Ow!
Don't be afraid to catch these feels.